top tech companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Anthropic, OpenAI, these are all companies looking for a role called Forward Deployed Engineer, FDE. Why they're looking for Forward Deployed Engineer? Most of the AI enterprise projects or pilot projects fail to address real business outcome, not because of weak AI models. Adopting AI into enterprise systems means, or enterprise companies means, dealing with complex systems and dependencies. Instead of selling access to AI models, now these AI companies started sending their own engineers to customers' location. They will start working on the AI solutions until it works. Hi, this is Murli Dulam from FiraX team. In this video, let us try to discuss about forward deployment engineer role. Let us see that. So yesterday we posted one of the LinkedIn posts, right? Let us try to discuss that area. So we posted one of the posts, right? AWS, they invested some money related to forward deployed engineers. So this is the concept just see here. So it is representing that end-to-end scenarios. Okay. End-to-end scenarios related to AI-related solutions. Okay. So example, if you are trying to build any AI solutions, example, these are all companies to see. Different companies to see. Different companies, they need AI-related solutions. So different companies, they need AI solutions. But it's very difficult to select right solution implementation also. Okay. And same time, these are all companies, you see. Companies to see. Or companies or organization to see. Okay. At the same time, providers, whoever providers are there, AI providers just see. AI providers, different providers like Cloud or Anthropic, you can say Cloud or Anthropic. Cloud is an Anthropic product, and also OpenAI, okay. Amazon or AWS, Google. These are all cloud providers, AI providers, right? Cloud and AI providers. They're offering new roles now to fill the gap, right? So whenever companies need any like AI-related solutions, so they don't know anything about AI-related scenario. Just imagine, it's very difficult to set up right solution for this company. Example, just see one of the companies is some banking-related company. Just see one of the bank is there, or just see one of the e-commerce company. E-commerce, they would like to onboard. Okay. Example, some Flipkart or something. They would like to onboard their own AI solutions. AI solution they are going to onboard. But it's very difficult to decide which AI solution they need to use. Right? They need to adapt. Okay. Similar way, some other bank, example, Citibank, they're looking for AI adoption. Okay. So they need few use cases. They're going to set up the solutions also. It's very difficult to set up their own solutions. That's why companies, they started FDE positions, FDE roles. Now our job roles are changing a little bit. So we are calling it as FDE. Just go. Forward deployed engineers. Okay. Deployed engineers. So here you can see forward deployed engineers. You can see that. Just give me one. Okay. So these people, so whoever provider this company selected, right, they will try to identify the requirements. Example, if it is a OpenAI or AWS, whatever solution they selected. Example, if the person is looking for AWS AI solutions. So here AWS company, they will try to deploy one of the forward deployed engineers. This person will take care of end-to-end. But as of now, how we are observing, like whenever we are trying to observe any traditional solutions, let me show you this example, just see. So we are saying that like developer, tester, these are all things we are saying, right? But coming to the scenarios, developer, tester, operational engineers, different scenarios, we are saying forward engineers, he will try to address end to end. First, he will try to understand use case, this business use case. Example, just see Flipkart. So where they are going to utilize AI related features. Okay. Example, some inventory recommendation, right? And also inventory wastage, different areas. They need some automation. They would like to minimize the cost as well. All these use cases, first he will try to understand the use case and he will try to design the solution and he's trying to deploy the solution also, right? So the end-to-end use cases will be managed by forward deployed engineers. Okay. So if you observe this blog, AWS recently they published their own blog just saying AWS investing $1 billion to embed AI forward deployed engineers with customers. Right. So because end-to-end, they need to take care of these solutions, right? Every client. Okay. So our experts on your side, just see the recent blog, just see here. June 2nd, they published this blog as well. Okay. 30th, it seems. Yeah. Okay. So end of the day, whatever solutions are, whatever requirements are there, end-to-end, they will try to observe that. Here we mentioned, so whatever things involved in this role also, here we mentioned, you can also go through this blog also to see. Okay. Okay. So one of the framework we need to discuss. So these are all things we already included in our agentic classes, agentic AI classes. 7 p.m. we are planning to conduct every day 7 p.m. IST. But before that, just see, before going to these scenarios, first you should clear about cloud, DevOps, and at least Kubernetes related areas. You should be clear. At least some basic understanding you need. Okay. So at least you need to have some basic understanding. Then you can start understanding these concepts also. Okay. So we need one framework, whether it is LangGraph, Microsoft Agent Framework, Bedrock, AWS Bedrock. So many solutions are there. You can select any one of the framework. And also next, just see agents, how they're going to interact agents. Okay. Example, if you're trying to set up any solution, right, we need agents, right? So example, I need to do some 5-step process. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5-step process I need to implement. So for all these use cases, I need different agents. Okay. So how you're going to establish connectivity between these agents? Okay. So how you're going to establish connectivity between these agents? Okay. These are all things will be addressed with these protocols. Second stage. Third stage is C. So we need RAG. Okay. Retrieval argument generation, or you can say we need to have some data sources also. Okay. We need to have our own data. Suppose if you are asking your open ChatGPT, if you ask some question, it is trying to find out the answers from internet. Okay, this is the one, right? Just see, ChatGPT, if you ask some questions, okay, if you ask some questions, here it is trying to find out the answer from internet. So, right, but we need our own data. Just see, when we are working within your organization, so we need to have our own data. So how you are going to align that? Okay, so for the third stage, you can see that. Okay. At the same time, so huge number of users, they're trying to ask some questions. It should be capable. This solution should be capable. Right? So we need to set up those strategies also. Okay. Third stage, you can see that. Okay. And fourth stage is identity. You see, these are all steps we are saying, right? These are all steps we are saying. Now just go to the steps also. Let me show you this here itself. Somewhere we posted our identity steps also. Let me show you that post also. Let me show you our post also. Agentic identity, somewhere we posted. Let me show you this post here. I'll show you the post, because instead of drawing again, let me show you that post. Security, we are going to discuss the security also. So just we are trying to understand what are the things required, AI-related solutions, and how FDA is addressing, FDA role is addressing. We are going to observe that. Okay. So just see. So without MCP, with MCP, we need to have files, or we need to have our own data sources. Okay. your files, your databases, your tools. So we need to connect with our AI solutions. Okay. So we need to connect with our AI solutions. So how you are going to connect it? Okay. At the same time, let me show you one more blog also. Just give me 1 minute. I'll show you that blog. One second. So just see this picture. If you observe this picture, so this is the scenario you see. Vacation plan. So here different organizations are there. He need to travel, he need to plan some vacation. These are all organization individually, he need to book the tickets to see IRCTC ticket and OYO hotel and also Swiggy food, Swiggy related scenarios. And also he need local guide and also local rapid also some driving related scenarios also he need. For all these things, he need to book individually. But if you mention one prompt, it should reach all the agents, and we need some output. Okay. If you observe here, so each agent we need to provide some tools. We are trying to set add some tools. Why we need tools? Suppose if you are trying to set some ticket trains, IRCTC, they are trying to maintain their own database. Okay. So they need to search from their own database, available trains, available seats, right? So they're going to use their own database. For that, we are going to use MCP tools. And also just see, so once it is done, this agent should communicate with the other agent. Okay. So here we need A to A. Okay. So these are all things will be included within this role. Forward deployed engineers. Just see whatever solutions we are saying, right? Let me show you LinkedIn. Let me open that post also. Just give me one. Let me open that post. Okay. So these are all things included. And also identity is also important. Just see, if you observe here, suppose if you are trying to provide some access to this application, just see, you're trying to provide some access to this application. One user, you provided access. We can track that user, whether that person is doing any mistake or something. But just see, if you observe this picture, okay, if you observe this picture, on behalf of this user, we are giving access to these agents. But these agents interacting with multiple organizations. If anything goes wrong, who is the responsible person? Right? We need to track all these events and security events also, identity and access management. These things also we need to address that. Okay, that's why here we mentioned fourth point. You can see that every AI agent needs its own governed identity. Okay, so we are discussing forward deployed engineer responsibilities. Okay, and fifth one, just see here. Okay, agents in production. Okay, so observability also we need feedback similar to our monitoring tools. Suppose if you are trying to set up any application, right, we need monitoring. Same way, whatever things are happening, so we need feedback. Okay, so these things also we need to observe that. Okay, so forward deployed engineer, he will take care of all these scenarios. And other step is, you see, CI/CD, our DevOps related process. Because once your solution is ready, now we develop entire these solutions and we are planning to implement this. But end of the day, we need to automate with our CI/CD process along with our Kubernetes. Okay, so it's not only technical role, end-to-end role. You see, if you observe FDE role, it's not only technical role. Even you can say understanding the business requirement, right, and also delivering the solution as well. It includes everything. That's why you can observe this picture also here. If you observe this picture, forward deployed engineers roles, build and ship agentic AI faster, agent connect, right? Whatever two steps we mentioned, right? These are all things you can see that. Okay. So now every company, they started onboarding this solution. Just see, if you observe here, AWS, okay, AWS, they started this solution. So they're recruiting these type of people, forward deployed engineers. Okay, and also just see even OpenAI, forward deployed engineers. Okay, just go through this like job descriptions also, so that you will get some idea. So whatever role currently you're working, future roles also we need to understand. In that way, we need to define our roles also. Okay, and also you can see Deloitte, they onboarded Anthropic forward deployed engineers. It's based on the cloud, based on the AI vendor, just see. Okay, so but everything they included our part also. To see, these are mandatory. Our DevOps and cloud is the mandatory skill, whatever the, technology you're working. Right? And also just see, and also just go through this blog also. New Stack is a technical blog website. Okay, so just see why Anthropic and hiring deployed engineers teams. Okay, just try to read this message also, so that you can understand more detailed way. So how it is important. Okay, you can see that. Okay, just see, these are important point you need to observe. Organizations operate in environments with complicated infrastructure, strict compliance requirement, and operational complexity. So just see, as of now, if you observe some AI solution, just see, suppose if you need some AI video editing solution, example is AI video editor. Okay, these type of solutions, simply you can purchase your subscription, you can start using that. Okay, I need AI based editor, just see a description AI editor is there. Start purchasing this subscription, you can start using that. Okay, just start purchasing this product, and some pricing will be there, you can start using that. But coming to the companies, so every company having their own guidelines, and also data is sensitive, very sensitive. So these are all simple solutions, you can do that. There is no impact, right? Suppose if you use these tools, there is no impact for because we are using a personal use case or something, to see. But coming to the organization, it's very critical role, to see. So whenever you're trying to adopt these solutions, we need to think about 360 degrees, you can say. Security, identity, load balancing, scalability, right? Everything we need to consider, even cost and security, all these things we need to consider. Okay, these are all things will be taken care by our forward deployed engineers. Okay, it means as a developer, whoever it is, we need to improve the skills in that way. Okay, so but end of the day, like if you have strong knowledge, we need to guide our agents. You can say whatever solutions they are providing, right? You need to guide those agents. Okay, so these are all things we are including our agentic course. So we are launching Agentic AI course. We are including all the steps also. Okay, now if you have any questions, let us try to address that. Any questions, please?